Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see how to prepare the uppu manga or the salted mango, or it's called as the brined mangoes. This uppu manga is usually prepared during the summer season in Kerala, mostly during the time of summer when they pick the good quality tender mangoes and they put it in salt water, and they also vouch in different types of dishes from the tender mangoes. This is one such recipe. Once it is properly done, it is going to be handy for the entire year. So let's see how we can prepare this. Before we start the procedure of cooking, if you are watching my video for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting notifications. I've taken half kg of the manga. This is nothing but the same manga which we get for preparing the vadu manga. These are the smaller manga with which we made the vadu manga pickle or the kadugu manga pickle. The bigger ones we can use it for preparing the uppu manga or the salt manga. For this I have taken 5 tablespoons of rock salt. Probably you can start with 4 tablespoons. If required, you can add 5 tablespoons. But we usually put 5 tablespoons of rock salt, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I have taken approximately about half a liter of water. I have heated this. So to this I will be adding the rock salt. Now I am also adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional. Few people add this, but since turmeric has got good medicinal properties, I am adding it. Now you can see that the water is beginning to boil. At this stage I am going to switch off the gas. I am going to allow this to cool nicely before I transfer the mangoes. You should not transfer the manga immediately in the hot water. It has to come to the room temperature. Only then I will be adding the manga. So it will take some time. So we'll just leave it like this. The water is actually cooled right now, the boiled water. To this I will be adding the manga. You need to allow the manga to soak in the salt water for at least about a month before we transfer this to the refrigerator. So once you store it in the refrigerator, it is good for about a year. Since all the mangas are fresh, it is coming to the surface of the vessel, but after 10-15 days what will happen is it will get shrunk and this will go immersed in the salt water. This is a very easy preparation and also tasty, so do not miss to prepare this. So I have shown you how to prepare the uppu manga, or this is called as the brine tender mangoes, which is prepared. So I usually keep it in a vessel like this, which is made of porcelain. It's called as a barani in Tamil. If you are preparing and keeping it in this particular vessel, it will stay for a longer period. So you just have to put the salted mangoes or any kind of pickle for that matter. So what we normally do is we put a cloth and then tie it so that no insects and other things go inside. And whenever we want, what we do is we take a small portion of it and keep it outside. And again, we put a cloth on it and tie it and keep. This is how they used to do it traditionally in the olden days. The other option, if you don't have vessels like this, keep it in a glass vessel. Preferably a glass vessel is better. Nowadays I am seeing a lot of people preparing the pickles in a plastic container, which is not good because the salt might react to the plastic. So this particular preparation which I am going to make it, I am just going to prepare like this and keep it outside in the room temperature for about a month. After a month, I am going to keep this in the refrigerator, and this is going to be handy for making chutneys. Even if you are not feeling well, along with curd rice, you can just have the salted mangoes. It's going to be really handy. And you can also prepare togayal. The preparation for togayal, archikaliki, everything is given in the suggested videos. You can look into that, and you can prepare different dishes, and this is definitely going to be handy and tasty. I hope this summer you will all prepare this uppu manga or the salted mango and keep it in your home. And if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. Have a wonderful day.